Hi, this is John from portablefreewaregames.com, and I'm not here to show you a game. I'm actually here to show you something a wee bit different. So if you go to your browser and you type in portablefreewaregames.com, I want you to choose the software option and scroll down the page to get to the fourth option. This is it here, Free Software Pack 2021 AIO. I want you to click on that wee image and that'll take you to the download page. We've got a video for the application and you've got a description of the application. Basically it's a software pack for Windows and it includes everything you're going to possibly need. Security stuff, media stuff, maintenance stuff, utility stuff and design stuff. And I'll get a wee bit more further into that in a minute or two. I'll show you how to download it. Basically there's two different formats. You can download it as a single exe that looks a lot like the portable games you get on portablefreewaregames.com, or you can download it as a DVD-ROM, which is just the files you have to burn to a disk to make a DVD-ROM. And as you can see, I've typed out these links, so if you want to highlight and copy it and paste it to your own website or your own blog, you can do that quite easily because the link's all there. So let's download the first one. Let's download the single exe. It's straightforward enough. Click on the link, save, and this is the application here that you'll download. Free Software Pack 2021.exe. It's an exe file. It's an executable file. Unlike the games on portablefreewaregames.com, it doesn't have to be installed to run. You can actually put this piece of software, this application, onto a flash drive, and you can use it to install software into somebody else's computer. You can move it from computer to computer. Either keep it on the flash drive and run it off the flash drive, or drag and drop it onto somebody else's computer. It's entirely up to you how you want to use this. So let's double click this. And this is the welcome screen you get once the exe unpacks. And it's just a nice wee welcome screen. www.portablefreewaregames.com presents Free Software Pack 2021. And you have a button here to continue. So click continue. It'll bring you back to the main menu. I should maybe explain to you what this piece of software is all about. The thinking behind it. Basically this is a piece of software. This is a software pack, I should say, that's designed for folk like myself that do a lot of Windows installations. Anybody that's in the habit of installing Windows for whatever reason understands that installing Windows is only half the battle. The other half is filling up your software, your antivirus and your defraggers and your office suites and whatever. And the idea behind this piece of software, this software pack, is you can have all your software in one place. It makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker to install the software that you want and the software that you need. So let's have a quick look through it. This is the main menu, and you've got 5 headings. You've got security, you've got media, you've got maintenance, you've got utilities, and you've got design. If you click on the headings, we'll just click on the very first one, security, and that'll lead you to a sub-menu, the security menu. And as you can see, you've got 5 options here. You've got Avast antivirus, Komodo firewall, FireTrust mail washer, KeePass password manager, and Spybot search and destroy. So you've got an antivirus, a firewall, an anti-spam, a password safe, and an anti-malware scanner. If you click on any of these, again I'm just going to click on the first one, Avast. I'll take you to the Avast menu. We've got an image for the application, and you've got 3 buttons. You've got an install button, a readme button, and a visit website button. Now the install button is straightforward enough. You click that and it'll start to install the piece of software. If you click readme, it'll open up an HTML document with some information about the software that you're looking at, in this case Avast antivirus. And if that's not enough, you can click visit website, and you can visit the website of Avast antivirus and see what they've got to say there. And these 3 options are standard for every piece of software in this software pack. Let's have a look at another. Security again. let's just try the second one, Komodo Firewall, a pretty solid free firewall application. Again, you've got an image, and you've got install, readme, or visit website. Security, mail washer, again install, readme, visit website. Like I said just a minute ago, this is the standard options you get with this piece of software, with this software pack. Install, readme, or visit website. So I'll quickly scan through the rest of this software pack, and you can decide for yourself if you're interested in it, or some of it. So where were we? Mail washer, KeePass password manager is a pretty solid password safe for storing your passwords for different stuff. Spybot search and destroy is a pretty good anti-malware scanner. I believe everybody should have a good antivirus and a good anti-malware scanner. And the difference being the antivirus runs all the time in the background, and the anti-malware scanner just updates and scans when you ask it to. It's called being on demand, an on-demand scanner, and that's what that is. Spybot. Let's have a look at the media. You've got the VLC media player, probably the best media player in the world, certainly the most versatile. It'll play just about any media file out there. And you don't have to install codecs for it because it installs its own codecs, which is really handy. It also updates fairly regularly as well, and that's VLC media player. Underneath that we've got Audacity. It's an audio editing program. DVD Video Soft Free Studio. As the name suggests, it's a studio. It's 22 or 23 different applications bundled into one. All different types of media applications, uploaders and downloaders, and editors and converters. It's a great piece of software. It includes a lot. Like I said, 22 or 23 different applications. It's a great piece of software. Mix is DJ mixing software. If you want to try your hand at mixing music like the DJs do, you can give it a try with that. Mix. OBS Screen Recorder is a screen recording software, so you can record your whatever you're doing, games or tutorials or whatever. You can record your own computer screen and narrate it like what I'm doing in this video right now. CD Burner XP is a great wee CD and DVD burning application, very lightweight, doesn't take up much space in your hard drive. And Shortcut Video Editor, a great wee video editing program. And that's all of the media. Underneath that we've got maintenance, IOBit Advanced System Care. That's a computer maintenance program, optimization and maintenance program that checks for any settings or anything on your computer that's maybe slowing your computer down. IOBit Advanced System Care will find those settings and give you the option to change them. IOBit Uninstaller, if you're having a bit of trouble uninstalling a certain piece of software, the IOBit Uninstaller is the one for you. That will fix it, no problem. CCleaner, also known as Crap Cleaner, that basically cleans up all the rubbish files that every computer makes, temporary files and configuration files or whatever have you. Every computer makes them, and they gather up over time, and it slows your computer down. What CCleaner does is finds them and deletes them for you, so it helps keep your computer in tip-top condition. And it's a great piece of software, and that's CCleaner. Defragler is another good piece of software that defrags your computer. Again, it's an optimization tool. You definitely need a defragger. Whether you want this one, or maybe you've got another one in mind, that's up to you. But defragger will do the job, and it's free. And last in the maintenance menu is Driver Magician. If you want to back up your drivers for any particular reason, it's always good to have your drivers backed up in case you have to reinstall Windows. If you get a bad malware infection, or your operating system becomes corrupted, or for whatever reason, it's always good to have your drivers backed up with a flash drive or a CD. And that's what this piece of software does. It backs up your drivers for you, and that's Driver Magician. Utilities, you've got 7-zip. It's a freeware alternative to 1-zip and 1RAR. It's quite powerful. It opens just about any compressed archive you can think of, and it creates quite a few as well. And it's free and it's good, and I recommend it. Underneath that you've got Mozilla Firefox, probably the best internet browser in the world. It's my browser of choice. Mozilla Thunderbird, probably the best email client in the world. Again, that's another one of piece of software that I definitely use. Apache OpenOffice, probably the best free alternative to Microsoft Office. And QBitTorrent is a torrent downloading application. If you ever look through my YouTube videos, you'll find a tutorial on QBitTorrent. It's a great piece of software, and torrents are a very good way of downloading things. It's clean and it's fast, and I recommend it. And QBitTorrent is just a piece of software that'll do that for you once you learn how to use it. And last but not least is design. You've got 4 options here, 4 applications. You've got Blender, GIMP, Inkscape and Instant Storm. And Blender is a 3D animation piece of software, and I'm not going to lie to you, it's not easy to learn at first. It's quite difficult actually, but once you pick up the basics and you start to learn it and you start to make sense of it, it becomes addictive. It's a great piece of software, so that's why I added it in here under utilities, because you can use it or you can just not bother. It's up to you. Underneath Blender we've got GIMP, the GNU image manipulation program, and it's basically a freeware alternative to Adobe Photoshop for editing images. It's a good wee piece of software. Underneath that we've got Inkscape. Inkscape is a freeware alternative to Adobe Illustrator. It's for creating graphics, the designing images and creating graphics. And again, it's a great wee piece of software. And underneath that we've got Instant Storm, which is a piece of software for creating your own screensavers. Again, it's a very small piece of software. It's only 2 or 3 megabytes, but it's pretty powerful and it's easy to use, and I recommend it. And that's Instant Storm. And now we're going to download the .rar version of this piece of software. So if you go to your browser, you type in portablefreewaregames.com, when you've got the software option, scroll down to the 4th option, Free Software Pack 2021 AIO, click on that wee image, and then scroll down the page. You get to the bottom of the page, it says here, download DVD-ROM. And when you click on that image, that link, and then save. And this is the file here that you'll download. Free Software Pack 2021.rar. It's a .rar archive. That means it's a compressed archive, and you'll need a specific software to open it. And WinZip and WinRAR are the 2 most commonly used softwares for this piece of file, for this type of file. But 7-zip is a freeware alternative that I can recommend, but I don't have to worry about that because I've got WinRAR. So let's extract this. Extract here. And this is the file here that comes out of Free Software Pack 2021.rar. It's Free Software Pack 2021, and it's a folder. Let's look inside that folder. Now, as you can see, you've got 5 files here. You've got a README, you've got a fav icon, you've got an autorun configuration file, an autorun.exe file, and an autoplay folder. The README is just basically instructions what to do with this. And it tells you that all you have to do is delete the README file and burn these other 4 files onto a disk, and I'll make a CD-ROM or a DVD-ROM. That'll be a DVD-ROM. It's 1.28 gigabytes, so it's too big to be a CD-ROM. It needs to be a DVD. And that's about it really. It'll create a DVD-ROM. If you want to run the file as if you put it in a DVD-ROM, just double click auto run. and here you get the same welcome screen that you saw just a couple of minutes ago. Click continue, and again it's exactly the same files, it's just in a slightly different format. It's exactly the same as the .exe that I just showed you a couple of minutes ago. Security, media, maintenance, utilities, design. You click on any one of them, you get install, readme, visit website, security, KeePass password manager. Again, it's the same over and over again. Install, readme, and visit website, and that's about it really. I don't need to go over each individual option with you because you've already seen it before, just a couple of minutes ago when I was talking about the .exe file. The .rar file is exactly the same, except a different format, same menus, same options, and that's it. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you download this piece of software. Hope it saves you a lot of time and a lot of hassle looking for pieces of software after you've done a fresh install of Windows, and I hope you subscribe. So thanks for watching.